Pull that 8 up in the Mozzie. I'm driving so fast, my eyes look like I'm crying. Of course, my wrist shining. Don't ask me what these are, bitch. These are VVS diamonds. It's hard to see the timing.
What's going on, guys? I'm finally back, and today I have a pair of Air Jordan 6 Carmines. Now, these, as you can look and see, these are super beat all around. One thing the camera might not be able to pick up, you can see right there is paint coming off of the black. Just all over, especially these bottoms. These bottoms are horrible, I will say. And the toe cap right here, as you can see, is yellow. So we're gonna be changing that today. First thing I do want to say is I hope everybody's safe. Hope everybody's staying indoors. You know, doing all the proper precautions and stuff, and kind of it. So yeah, let's get started. All right, guys. To get started, I'm gonna be putting the left shoe to the side for before and after purposes. We can get started. First thing I'm gonna want to do is unlace them. And these don't have an insole in them, so I'm just gonna unlace them, put the shoe tree in, and we can get started with the cleaning. Alright guys, got the laces out, so we're gonna put these over here. We're gonna grab the shoe tree and set these to the proper size. Alright guys, shoe tree in, and now we can get started with the cleaning. So we're gonna grab a bowl of hot water and put in some rejuvenator solution into here, and we get started with the soft bristle brush. Alright guys, up is all cleaned up, so now I'm going to be taking out the shoe tree, so I'm cleaning the inside. Alright guys, inside's all clean, so now we're going to put the shoe tree back in here. And we can continue on with this cleaning. Now that we're done with the soft bristle brush, we can continue on with the medium bristle brush. And this is going to be using all the leather uppers. Alright guys, all the leather uppers are done using the medium bristle brush. So now we're going to finish using the stiff bristle brush. I'm going to be using this on the midsoles. This all around here. Sorry, that was a bad angle. All around here and the bottoms. Let's get into it. Alright guys, we're officially done, but before we can throw these into the washer, we're going to get our laces, put them in a solution to get them all cleaned up. Alright guys, shoes and laces clean, so now I'm going to grab a pillowcase so I can throw these into the washer. Alright guys, we have the shoe in the pillowcase, so now I'm going to go to the washer and we can throw them in there and get them clean. Let's go. Alright guys, we have the shoe right here. Now we're going to toss it in the washer. And we're going to grab our Advanced Sneaker Laundry Detergent. Put this back up here, shut this, and close this. And now whenever we're washing the shoe, we're going to put it on a cool or cold wash temperature, and everything else just to be on a normal cycle. I'll get back to you guys when the shoes are fresh out of the washer. Alright guys, I got these shoes fresh out of the washer. They are looking a lot better, I will say. Especially with the suede.
It is dark right now because it's wet, but it was dark earlier before I put them in the wash, before I cleaned them or anything when I first got them. I noticed they looked dark because they were so dirty. These things were crazy dirty, so they're a lot more cleaner, but there's still some work that has to be done on them.
I will be repainting most of the midsole and the shoe itself. You might not be able to see right there in the camera, but there's a scuff right here on this little spot right here, and paint starting to come off from right there, and just a lot of other stuff, so I'm going to be working on all of that. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use acetone and cotton balls to strip this down. What this will do is this will help take out the factory finish so that I can put my paint on, and whenever I use acetone and cotton balls, my paint will actually adhere on the shoe, it will stick on. Alright guys, I stripped basically all the white parts with acetone cotton balls. So now to get started, I'm going to be grabbing my Angel's flat white paint and we can get started on the painting. Alright guys, I'm completely finished painting all that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to clean up my area, go outside and spray this with a matte finish, lace it up, and I'll be back to you guys. Alright guys, I am all finished with this Air Jordan 6 Carmine restoration. This took quite a bit of work, but it was well worth it in the end. This shoe looks so much better. One of the most noticeable things I instantly picked up on was this toe cap. You can see how the one on the left is super yellow and just disgusting. But not even just that, just all over this shoe looks so much better. If you see right here, camera might not be able to pick up on it as well as the human eye, but this white midsole is yellowed, and right here you can see a lot of scuffing on the black midsole. A lot of scuffs right here too, might not be able to see that. Just know if you don't see it then, oh well, but yeah, this shoe is very bad. And then right here too, you can see a lot of scuffing and just all over, man. Right here. What else? This bottom is super nasty. Now the bottom didn't really change much since, like I said, the shoe is super worn and I don't have enough time to put this in the sun because, like I said, this could take up to weeks and maybe even a month. And I'm also starting online tomorrow because of this corona stuff. I'm starting online school tomorrow, so I don't have to worry about that. My main focus is really on that right now. But other than that, seriously, this restoration turned out absolutely great. The only bad thing, of course, is the yellow midsole, but I just explained why. As you can see right here, I repainted basically this whole shoe except for the red and the black tab and the tongue. I actually did paint a little bit of the tongue white because it was kind of getting a little dark, but as you can see right here, I repainted the black and the white, repainted the toe cap, repainted the black on here, and repainted the white, repainted this. I repainted mostly all the sides right here. That's it. All I did to this shoe was washed it with the Reshoevn-Ator 3-brush bronze kit. And I threw it in the washer using Reshoevn-Ator sneaker laundry detergent. Got it out and I repainted it using Angel's products. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please give it a like. These videos, take a lot of work, both with the shoe cleaning, restoration itself, and editing. So yeah, give it a like, comment, subscribe, all that. Stay safe, everybody, and have a good day.
Move to me, you move with caution. 512, she bought from Austin. Watching Family, got no way to pause it. Heard the voicemail and she done and lost it. Hear the silence, hear the water from the faucet. 1, 2, 3, we lasted longer than an auction. Thought I sold it, but it ain't no way she bought it. Time to fill up.